Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add sky in Snapseed. If you're new to Snapseed and you don't know how to add sky in the Snapseed photos, I'm going to show you an easy way to do it. So without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, open the Snapseed app on your phone. Now click on the plus icon, choose the photo in which you want to add sky to. Now click on Tools. And if you scroll a bit, you'll see the option double exposure. Click on it. Now click here to add the sky. As you can see, I've already downloaded the PNG formats of sky, because of which there is no background on the sky. And if you'll select one, it can be easily added to our photo just like this. Place the sky wherever you like. Now I'll place sky over here. And once you're happy with your photo, simply click here to save changes. And just like that, we have added sky in our Snapseed photo. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.